Good morning, Eastern Stars.
Today is Wednesday, February 26, 2025. I'm Aurelia.
I'm Mr. Cooper.
I'm Everett. And I'm Leah.
What's for lunch, Leah?
The first choice is pasta with meatballs with breadstick. Second choice is sun butter and jelly with yogurt and graham crackers.
We have a few birthdays today. Happy birthday to Reese and Mrs. Annalyn's class, Elliot and Miss Lane's class, Everly and Mrs. Height's class, and Evelyn and Miss Ferguson's class. We hope you all have a great birthday today.
What's the weather going to be like?
Today will be cloudy with 40% chance of rain, high of 40 degrees Fahrenheit.
All right. And speaking of warm weather that's above freezing, sometimes the playground starts to melt and gets a little sloppy. So here's a reminder from the office about that.
Remember, if you get wet at recess, you will not be allowed to change your clothes, so stay away from the puddles on the playground.
Okay, good reminder. Thanks so much. Shout outs.
Miller and Miss Ross's class would like to give a shout out to Lucia for helping a friend when he was scared.
Oh, that's Luella.
Oh, Luella.
Luella, not Lucia.
Sorry.
All right. Miller, shout out to Luella. Another shout out.
Miss Ross would like to give a shout out to Alana in Miss Meyer's class for helping walk the kindergarten friend to her locker in the morning. Way to be helpful and empathetic.
Do we have a word of the day?
I think we do.
What's our word of the day?
Pursue. The word of the day is pursue. Follow someone or something in order to catch or attack them.
Oh, if you're can you also pursue something though? Like try to if you're pursuing, like today, are you going to be pursuing a good grade on your math test?
I
So that
think so,
works
yes.
as well. So you
Yes.
don't all have to stalk after something physically. You can
No.
pursue kind of that way as well. Do we have a random fact for today?
Yeah, today is National Carpe Diem Day.
What's it called?
Carpe diem day.
Carpe diem. So you wrote this one, Everett?
Yes.
Okay. What does carpe diem mean?
So make sure to seize the day today, Eastern Stars.
That's what it means, carpe diem, to seize the day. I want to give a big thank you to Ian from Mrs. Schembarger's class, who 3D printed me a miniature version of Reptar. How do you like that?
Cool.
Thanks so much, Ian. And then we have something special. This is from Asher Harris in 5th grade. He wanted to tell one of his jokes, or wanted me to say one of his jokes, and this is a good one. Are you ready? Why aren't koalas actual bears? Why aren't they? They don't meet the qualifications. Dun-dun-dun. All right.
Oh my gosh,
That was a clever one, Asher. Now, back here, got a little donation of super worms, and we're going to put them into their place where they're going to get some extra nutrients. We got some oatmeal and potatoes. We'll see. This isn't like our normal 1,000 superworm type of situation, but we'll see how they start to bury themselves. It won't take long before they're all buried. Or they find those potatoes and start getting a drink. While we're at it, should we see if this guy right here would like to become food for one of the creatures? Looks like, I bet Albert would eat, or maybe Scarlet, since Scarlet's the one looking at the rock. It's a pretty big worm, Scarlet. You think you can handle it? Oh boy.
I think Albert's gonna get it.
Showdown.
Okay, easy peasy.
Not a very big showdown. No. That was so gentle.
I've heard that Miss Freeman's class likes to do a slow-mo of the actually eating, so that might be pretty cool if you could try to slow it down. That's where we're gonna leave you though.
Okay.
That's all for today.
Remember to be safe, trustworthy, attentive, and respectful. Be a star. Have a winning Wednesday. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.